Our Labor Day continues with the heat, the sunshine, the humidity, all of the above. Other than those rain showers, those hold off until about Tuesday night. As of right now, we're feeling the heat, a lot of us climbing through the 80s. 84 degrees in Freeport, 81 in DeKalb, 86 in Dixon. Take a look at what it feels like, factoring some of that humidity. A lot of us feeling like we're in the 90s. 90 degrees for your heat index value in Rockford, 93 in Winnebago. Almost there at the 90s at 89 degrees in Sycamore. We're going to continue to climb with these values expected to reach as high as 97 degrees. So definitely a hot holiday for all of us, but at least we stay dry. Still got that sun to enjoy as well. Those temperatures will reach into the 90s themselves. We may end up seeing a couple of clouds joining us later this afternoon and evening, although we still remain dry as we drop into just the mid 70s. So taking a look, that heat will continue not only through today, but even into your Tuesday. That heat wave builds in and it brings a lot of those very hot temperatures until a cold front sweeps through, and it's going to push out a lot of that heat and humidity. Relief is right around the corner, so just got to hang on a little bit longer if you're not a fan of the heat and just maybe want a little bit of fall. Those heat index values will climb a couple degrees warmer than yesterday, hence that heat wave still bringing in that heat and humidity. Then a cold front drops us. We fall into those low to mid 80s by Wednesday, and then the low to mid 70s. Awfully comfortable by the end of this week, may briefly bump up into the 80s by the weekend. Otherwise, for today, we do stay dry. We had a little fog this morning. Otherwise, sunshine dominates for the next really several hours until we end up slowly dropping. Also going to notice the winds picking up overnight. Temperatures falling into those mid 70s, gusts up to 20 miles an hour before they start to increase even more so through the day tomorrow. And that's going to be ahead of a cold front reaching in. So like I mentioned, it'll help bring out heat and humidity. It's also going to bring us a chance for some active weather. Looks like we do get a couple of those isolated showers further to the northwest Tuesday evening. So still dry throughout most of the day tomorrow. Might just notice a couple more clouds as we see this line of broken showers and thunderstorms moving through. Not everyone will end up seeing that heavy rain, but this does come in early Wednesday morning. A lot of us still asleep and it begins to roll out. Here's about just before 4 o'clock. Now moving further to the east closer to Chicago. And then most of the area stays dry. We do still have that low chance through your Wednesday. There's also a potential for some stronger storms mainly near and east of I-39. Damaging wind gusts and hail will be the biggest concern. Still a low potential, but something to look out for. Otherwise, we're then dry. A little bit more cloud cover left behind for Thursday. Look at those temperatures, though. Very comfortable. In your most accurate 10-day forecast, we may end up breaking into those low 80s. Otherwise, we drop off into the low 70s into most of next week. Manny.